In our previous video, I have told you how to install Django, and also I have created this project called main and this app called home. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about path, URLs, and views in Django. Before going any further, I want to tell you if you want to learn Django, then guys, please access this playlist. You will find the link of this playlist in the description. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all, we have to create this urls.py file in home folder. So guys, after creating this, next we have to go to this urls.py file in main. So guys, here we have to write include. So after writing include, we have to create another path. So after writing this, here we're going to leave this blank. Now here we have to write include, and here we have to write home.urls. So guys, next we can put comma here. So guys, next we have to go to urls.py file in home. So guys, here we have to type first from Django.urls, then we're going to import path, and here we're going to import. So guys, here we have to write from.import.views. So here we have to import views. Next we're going to create another URL pattern. So guys, patterns. So guys, here we're going to create another URL patterns. So here we have to write square bracket, and here we have to write square bracket. So in this square bracket, we're going to create another path. So guys, we're going to leave this blank. So guys, now here we have to type views dot index, and here we have to type name is equal to index. So guys, now in the end we have to put comma. So guys, now we have to go to views.py file. So guys, you will find this file in home. As here you can see create your view here. So guys, for that we have to create a function. So this function will be called index. So guys remember, you have to type this index and this similar. So guys, now here we have to type request. So in the end we have to type this, and here guys, so guys, here you have to import this HTTP response. So guys, don't forget to import this. Now here we have to type return then HTTP response. Then guys, here we have to type hello world. Let's see, hello world. So guys, now after this we're going to open terminal. So guys, now here we have to open this. So guys, next we're going to open this file. So guys, for that, here we have to type python manage.py server. So guys, we are running this file. So guys, now here you will get this link. So guys, you have to click on control, then guys you have to press this link. So guys, after this you have to open this in your browser. So guys, now here you can see hello world. So guys, you can see I have written this. So guys, now like this you can create page in Django. So guys, if you want to create about page, then you have to type in def, then about. You have to create a so guys, you have to create a about function. So guys, then you have to type request. Then guys, here we have to type return http response. Then here we have to type this is about page. Now guys, here we have to go to this ul.py file in home. So guys, now here we have to create another path. So guys, we're going to type here about, then slash, then here comma, then as here we have to type views dot about, then here we can type name is equal to about. So guys, in the end we have to put comma. So guys, again, if you open this, then guys, here if you type slash about, then guys, here you can so guys, here you can see this is about page. So guys, like this you can create pages in Django. So guys, like this you can create contact page. So guys, you have to copy this function, and here you have type. So guys, here you have to paste this function, and here we're going to change this function name contact. Then here we have to type this is contact page. Here we have to type path, and here contact. Then guys, here we're going to type. So guys, don't forget here to put slash in the back of this. Then guys, here we have to type views dot contact, and then here we have to type name is equal to contact. Then in the end we have to put comma. So guys, now you have to type here contact, and then guys, here you can see this is contact page. So guys, like this you can create many pages you want. So guys, now that's it for now. So guys, now thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you want to access this playlist, then guys, please click the link in the description. So guys, now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.